This 2024 Forest River Surveyor Legend 235 FKLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Wabash, in 46,992 and is offered for sale by Zoomers RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.